on settling, grounding, resting with support using sound. Just going to invite you to place your body in position that it's alert, dignified, and at ease. And just allowing the body to get as comfortable as possible. Just invite you to bring to mind your intention for this practice. And that might be to be more present in a kindly, compassionate way. And next, reflect on your motivation for practicing mindfulness. And this might be how you hope to benefit for yourself and how this might benefit others around you from your mindful practice. Now focusing in a relaxed way on your breath. Inviting you to bring your attention inwards to the natural rhythm of your breathing. And inviting you to breathe in a little more deeply than normal, but without strain and without force. And also gently releasing the breath. Keeping the in-breath and out-breath equal in length. So it might be helpful to count, maybe a count of 3 or 4, breathing in, and a count of 3 to 4, breathing out. And even as you breathe and count, thoughts will continue to arise. Will continue to pop into your mind, and this is totally normal. You might even find yourself getting lost in thinking. Try as best you can to let the thoughts go free and come back to the breathing or the counting. Now focusing a little bit more on the out breath. Noticing any tendency for the body to relax as it releases the out breath. Just allowing the body to relax with the out breath, allowing the muscles to soften and soothe, almost as if gravity is bringing you down a little bit more. Now let the breath return to its normal rhythm, letting go of the counting. And you may notice that thoughts will continue to arise. You may have noticed that when you were focusing on the out breath, your center of gravity drops more fully into your body. And this brings you into the phase of grounding. You might become more aware of the weight of your body on the ground or the mat or the cushion. The mantra you use here is mind is resting in the body like the body rests on the ground. Very gradually broaden your focus to include sensations within the body. Some people might do this by doing a body scan. So scanning systematically through the body. Or you might just be open to whatever sensations draws your attention. Any itches, niggles, the lakes, places of uncomfortableness, or places that are relaxed. Just noticing whatever body sensations arises and draws your attention. And not getting into the why it's there, just noticing that it's there. And then become aware of the space around your body. Noticing that the body is resting on the ground and the space around it. mind resting in the body, like the body rests on the ground. And this brings you into the phase of resting. Resting is being with your experience as it arises and passes. Being aware of whatever your experience is in the present moment. Notice what arises for you. Just notice as it passes. Letting go of any striving or doing. Just simply be aware of whatever arises through your senses. And letting go of any need to think or react in any way. And if we find ourselves lost in thought, gently and kindly guide our attention back. Mind resting in the body, like the body rests on the ground. Allowing the mind to be open, alert, and at rest. When you notice that you've drifted off into thinking, because that's what we do, it's absolutely normal. As best you can, gently refocus your attention on whatever sounds are occurring around you, and let these sounds hold your attention. Using the sounds around you to bring you back and hold your attention. Using the sounds in this way to focus and ground your attention, allowing that to bring you back to where you are. And that's mind resting in the body, and your body resting on the ground. You may be aware of sounds that are very far away or very close. It might even be the sounds of your own body breathing. Sounds may be loud or subtle. You might experience them as pleasant or unpleasant, annoying or calming. Try to listen out for the different kinds of sounds. Not really going searching for them, but just noticing what comes to your ear, comes naturally to your ears. Noticing if the sounds are continuous or if there's spaces, if they're intermittent. Noticing the spaces between the sounds. Are they loud sounds? Are they quiet sounds? Are they pleasant, unpleasant? See if you can experience these sounds as pure sensation without judging or getting caught up in them in any way. And no need to name what you're hearing, just noticing what's there. And if you find yourself lost in thinking, simply come back to hearing and let this be your anchor in the present moment. You might be aware of other aspects of your experience as you focus on the sound, such as thoughts, feelings, or body sensations. Noticing what arises and allowing the sound to bring you back to where you are, mind resting in the body resting on the ground. And if the mind wanders as it will, just bring it back as best you can, focusing on the sounds around you, your body on the floor, breath in your body, and your mind on your breath. As we come to the end of this practice, just invite you to take some time to acknowledge the benefits that have come from your mindful practice this evening. Use this to cultivate the wisdom that you're able to take this into the rest of your evening, and certainly into the beginning and the rest of your full week ahead. And to be able to share these benefits with those around you. It truly is a beautiful gift. So just breathe like this for a few more moments. And whenever you're ready, just invite you to open your eyes. Give yourself a nice gentle stretch. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. Come back fully into the present moment.